Hello and welcome back to the next part of Santana build. Last time we started to make the columns here, or the railings up here. I finished those. Now took a strip, also something that I mentioned in the before video. Cut it to length. I glued the end on this side here, and basically what we need to do is that we need to push this. Let's just get some light. We need to push this in at its place, which is going to be there, and then glue it. It might crack, but once it cracks, mine is cracked here, but I can put it with some glue. I can put this this little bit in, and then just give it a light sand and some more paint, and then you can't see it. So this is what we're gonna do now. Cheers. Okay, welcome back again. So we did the strip here. We did the wooden beautifications. Put the golden strip here. And what I've done also off camera is that I put another wooden strip down here, and then I masked off the windows because I want to paint them blue. Just the edges that goes onto the side of the holes in the piece here. So that's what we're going to do now. Let that dry, and then we start I start with the wood between the windows here as well. Then we need to put another strip here, another strip here, and another one down here. That needs to go all the way, those two here needs to go all the way around to the other side as well. But making this, and then I'm gonna tackle the windows in the transom, and make that be done with that. And then I'm gonna do the other side as well, but I'm gonna do that off camera because already showed you how to do it. I put another strip, small strip here as well, just to match the strip that was up here size wise. So yeah, I'm gonna paint now. Right, so welcome back. So, oh, sorry, just let me move the camera a little bit. This is it for the port side of the officers' quarters. It's done. Well, almost. I still need this piece that needs to go under here someplace, but I'm gonna wait with that. But yeah, the railings is done. All the wood has been put between the windows. The last time you saw me paint the sides of the windows blue because these strips weren't like wide enough, and they weren't not supposed to be either. So you're supposed to see the blue tint between. So that is done. The last 3 strips are done. What comes next is that once I find the correct piece of wood, well, I already have it's soaking at the moment because I need to bend it, but that needs to go down here and then go up here and then all around the transom. Yeah, I'm gonna wait with that until I'm done with the opposite side on the starboard side. And again, then I need to finish up the windows. I need to continue with the sorry, let's just see here. I need to continue with this strip here. I need to go all around the back here, and then this one needs to go all around here and meet the other ones on the other side. Do the windows, do all the columns, all the railings up here and here, and then put another golden strip inside this piece that's gonna come up here. Yeah, I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I'm building it my own tempo. I'm building when I have time, so the video is not scheduled at all. They come out when I feel like they're coming out, but they will come out definitely. But yeah, that's the progress so far. And once this is done, I'm gonna varnish the entire ship with matte varnish, and then I'm gonna start building the bow. And once the bow is done, we can do the decks. I'm gonna do the deck in here. The cannons will stick out here, because once the cannons has begun to come onto the ship, you can't really manhandle it, because I'm afraid that it will hit a cannon and then the cannon will fall off, and then I can't reach it again and stuff like that. So I'd rather have the bow and the stern built completely done. So yeah, that's it for me this time. Just before I go, I would strongly suggest that you head over to my mate's YouTube channel. His name is Greg Wilson. He's building the Soleil Royal. As a first-time builder, he's doing an amazing job. So definitely go by and give him a thumbs up, and perhaps a subscribe. I know that he has some things in the pipeline that is going to be amazing. So definitely worth a follow. Anyways, thank you for joining me this time. See you again the next time. Bye.